In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use weekday function in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point the function at a date, choose how the days are numbered, enter the formula correctly, and make sense of the result you see. First, identify the date you want to check. Click the cell that holds your date, for example, A1. Make sure Google Sheets recognizes it as a real date, not just text. A quick way to confirm is to look at the formatting. If you change the cell format to date and it displays properly, you're good. If it refuses to change or aligns strangely, re-enter the date using your local date format so Sheets can interpret it correctly. Next, decide how you want the days of the week to be numbered. This is optional, but it affects the result. There are two common numbering systems. Type 1 is the default. Sunday is 1 and Saturday is 7. Type 2 starts the week on Monday, so Monday is 1 and Sunday is 7. If your work week starts on Monday, Type 2 often feels more natural. If you don't specify anything, Google Sheets uses Type 1 automatically. Now enter the formula, click the cell where you want the answer to appear, and type equals weekday, open parenthesis, the date cell, comma, then the type, and close the parenthesis. For example, weekday A1, 1. If you prefer Monday as day 1, use weekday A1, 2. If you leave off the second number entirely, like weekday A1, it behaves like type 1. Finally, interpret the result. The function returns a whole number from 1 through 7 that represents the day of the week based on the type you chose. With type 1, a result of 1 means Sunday, 2 is Monday, and so on up to 7 for Saturday. With type 2, a result of 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, and 7 is Sunday. This makes it easy to build schedules, filter weekdays versus weekends, or line up tasks by day. A few quick tips as you work. If you get an unexpected number or an error, double check that the source cell is a valid date. If you need to apply the same calculation to a list of dates, enter the formula once and drag the fill handle down to copy it. And if your week convention changes later, simply switch the type in the formula to update the numbering instantly. That's it. You've identified the date, chosen your numbering, entered the formula, and read the result with confidence.